take a joy to find me in solid one ring. Hee.
Tuesday, the 29th of September, 1942. Dear Kitty, extraordinary things can happen to people who go into hiding. Just imagine, if there is no bath, we use the wash tub because there is no hot water in the office, by which I always mean the whole of the lower floor. All 7 of us take it in turns to make use of this great luxury. There are many wash places in this building, and I don't want to get dirt all in one place. Then why don't we each choose our own wash area? Good idea. I choose the kitchen. But what about the glass door? How disgusting! I'll let you know that when I take a shower, not to walk past for at least half an hour then. Ugh. I'll use upstairs. But what about the water? How will you get it upstairs? To me, it's worth carrying hot water upstairs in a bucket. I'll just wait and see which the best place. Blah, blah. I'll just wait and see which the best place is. I'll take my bath in the private office. I'll bathe behind the fire guard in the kitchen. Hey Margot, what do you think? Where should we bathe? How about the front office? We'll have to wash in semi-darkness or Saturday afternoons because the curtains are shut then, but it seems like the perfect place for a scrub. Alright, Margot and I choose the front office. Several days later, I don't like the front office anymore. I wonder where would be more comfortable. How about the WC? Ah! Oh, Peter, you scared me. But the WC is a nice idea. I can pour my own bathwater away, lock the door, shut the curtains, be alone, be safe from my eyes. Quack, quack. Hello, Miss Quack Quack. This is perfect. Thank you, Peter. One evening. Alright, let's begin. Here we go. How wonderful. Ain't this the life? Later.
I think this is the place. Me too. And now to remove some pipes in pretense for winter. Yeah, we don't want anything exploding or anything. Do you know what you're doing? Do I know? I know what I'm doing even if I didn't know what I was doing. And that's not knowing what I'm doing. I take it you know what you're doing. Ow! Ooh, a bath. Hey, we here on official business. No playing around. Fine. Don't out! Did you hit your head? Yeah. On what? A pipe, dude! What else? Wanna know who the Queen of England is? Nothing. Okay, by the way, the Queen of England is the Queen of England!
Oh, the plumber is in the WC. So much for a perfect bath. Since we can't go to the WC there for the whole day, we'll need to improvise a potty. Hey, this jar should help. Thank you, Mrs. Van Dam. No problem. This will go in the sitting room, as we will be spending lots of time there. With the plumbers here, we'll have no choice but to sit still and be quiet as possible.
The plumbers are gone now. You can get up.
Okay. Yeah.
You can't imagine what a trial it was for Miss Quack Quack. I have to whisper on ordinary days, when not being able to speak or move was 10 times worse. After being flattened for 3 days, my bottom was very stiff and painful. Some extra written was Dear Kitty. Extreme?
Hey, Margot.
I have to whisper on ordinary days, but not being able to speak or move was 10 times worse. And worse, after being flattened for 3 days of continuous sitting, my bottom was very stiff and painful. Some exercises at bedtime helped.